Today I'm going to show you how to make these posters using Canva. Go to Canva and click create a design. Go to custom size and let's make 1000 pixel and click create new design and go to uploads, go to images, and after uploading your image drag it to the design. Let's You can adjust it as you want. Go to elements and go to shapes. Click on the square. Increase the size. Make it exactly with the size of this frame. Go to color. Scroll down to gradients. Let's make any gradient colors you want. Go back to colors and you can adjust the colors as you want. And you can change the styles as well. Click in this shape, go to transparency and decrease to 70. Go to elements again and scroll down to frames. Click see all and type the letters that you want to use. Let's use the letters for creating quad. Let's decrease the size. Make all of them in the same size. Select all and place them in the middle. Go to uploads again and click in the same image and drag it inside the first frame and increase the size to fit the page. Drag it again in second one, double click. And now click again in the image, increase the size and crop it. Let's crop it from here. Go to corner rounding and increase. Go to border style and increase as you want. Let's make it 20. Click border color and click in the same style of gradient. Click again in the same image. Increase the size again and click remove background. And here is the final results. And for the second poster, let's use YouTube thumbnail resolution. Click on the background, go to color and change the color to black. Go to elements and type wave graphics. Let's use this one. Rotate it like this and change the color to white color. Go to elements, shapes, and click square. Let's resize it like this. and change the color to white color as well. Go to text and type your text and change the font and change the color of this first letters to white color and place the text like this, and you can type another word with the black color. Let's place it here and download this image. Increase a little bit the size and drag to uploads. And just delete these elements, and after uploading your image, drag it to the design. Let's increase the size to fit the page and drag the image that we make. Click remove background, increase the size, place it in the middle, go to edit, scroll down to shadows, glow, decrease the size and decrease the blur amount. And here is the final result. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.